Next video. In today's video we will be learning how to get started with Redis. So if you don't know what Redis is an in-memory database, and it is extremely fast, and it is not a traditional database like Postgres or MySQL. And every time you query something from Redis, the response would be extremely fast because it is an in-memory database. So yeah, let's get started. All you will have to do first is go to redis.com, create an account. Once you create an account, sign up, and you will have to like activate your email id, like verify your email id. You will get an email from redis.com, and once you activate that, you can log into redis.com, and the first screen which you will see is of subscription. So firstly, create a subscription. So this is like a free thing which Redis provides us. Click on fixed plan, which is completely free. Select AWS or whatever region is close to you, you can select it, and I'll keep everything as default. And one thing before creating a subscription is that once you create a free subscription, and suppose if you delete it and you're trying to create a new subscription which is also free, you will have to enter your credit card details. So be careful with this. Now I will just enter some name, like first. You can enter any name you want. I'll click on create subscription. I need to create a database, so I'll give a name, database name, something like first as well, and I'll keep everything as default, and I'll click on activate database. Now what you will have to do is you will have to download an app called Redis Insight. So this is the app. I'll just show you redisinsight.com. You can Google search it, or if you want, you can just click on connect and add keys. Make sure this is green because you will have to wait some time till your database is ready. And here you can just click on download. So this will download your Redis Insight. Once it is downloaded, just install it and open it to my Redis Insight application, to my Redis database. So all I did was I refreshed my database, like just refresh this URL and just click on open with Redis Insight, and this should work. Previously I was clicking on open with Redis Insight over here, maybe this is an issue. Just click on open with Redis Insight from this button, and to test it, what you will have to do is just click on workbench, and here we can type something like set message hello, and I'll click on this run button. Okay means it has successfully saved this message. Now to get the message, what I can do is get message, and here you can see I'm getting hello. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.